Hi.
Okay. When there's trouble in the jungle, Monkey Truck knows what to do. Here he comes racing to the rescue. A monkey with a mission. Wow, he sure is fast.
Bye bye.
His overdrive engine burns banana gas. Toot toot.
Toot toot.
He puts his pedal to the metal.
Pop, pop.
He's always helping in a rush. Taking care of business in the underbrush.
But.
Water is rising. The hippos are stuck.
Stop.
Spin those wheels. Go, Monkey Truck.
Go. Go.
He wakes up the bat sleeping in the tree. Vroom, vroom. Swoosh! Monkey Truck is faster than a tsunami. Ooh! Ooh! Ah! Racing up a hill with a full payload. Grind those gears. Go, Monkey Truck, go!
Go.
Who's the little fella that the jungle calls king? A four-wheeled banana-eating monkey machine. Monkey Truck!